Hey, the disc technician is here and he is uh, starting to make the change. Let me know if you need any help.
What's that?
Let me know if you need any help.
You got it. So pretty much that's the only thing holding your wash machine together.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
So now they have bigger screws.
Yep. Yeah, we just add a different bracket. And everything should be fine after that.
And they're just giving 2 screws per bracket, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
That's it?
Yeah, they always have a gap now. They put the bracket. 'Cause
Oh,
there's a screw in between there holding it all together.
okay. So the bracket is actually holding this cap like this?
Mm-hmm. So you got the bracket on the bottom holding the hook,
Okay.
and then this slides down at an angle. So
Okay.
it can't come off.
So it cannot come off like this.
Nope.
It has to come off.
Yeah,
and
that's it.
okay.
Yep.
Okay. 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 So now we are basically trying to test it one round, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thank you for agreeing to record
Oh,
this.
no problem.
So this is the paperwork that comes with the bracket, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what all um,
So this one.
models have this problem?
So this particular kit will work for all these models.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yep. And it's just the information on
Just
the back.
how to install it.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Generally, how many calls do you have? These washing machine calls nowadays?
It depends on the day.
Okay.
Sometimes it's 5, sometimes it's 10. You know.
Okay.
But it's
Our
not too
technician has done more than 50
Yeah.
till now.
That's it, buddy.
Okay, so the spinning is also done, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
So that was the repair. Let's see how it will work.